Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia platform includes a huge list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. One of the most exciting new features is Digital Key, which allows drivers and guests to use a smartphone as a key fob for select Toyota models. Let's learn how it works. While this service relies on an active Remote Connect trial or subscription, it isn't the same as the authorized remote driver feature. Instead, Digital Key allows drivers of select Toyota models to use their mobile device just as they would a key fob, and share that ability with up to 7 additional users. Digital Key uses the smartphone's Bluetooth service to sense the nearby vehicle, allowing for doors to open and the vehicle to be started as normal. And like when using the key fob, opening doors and starting the vehicle is a passive process. No action is needed on the device itself other than ensuring that the Toyota app is in the background or open. When the vehicle and connected services, including Remote Connect, are registered and active, Digital Key can be set up. Simply tap Download within the Toyota app dashboard. Next, tap Connect to Vehicle to finish pairing. Now place the key fob over the vehicle's start button. Wait for 2 beeps. Tap Pair. Then tap Return to Dashboard to complete the process of setting up Digital Key. Once everything is set up, the Digital Key tile will display a Manage and Share option. This is how you can share Digital Key with others. To do so, tap Invite New User. Add someone from your contacts list or enter their information manually. Then tap Send Invite to confirm. This will send a message with a link that will open the Toyota app if installed, or the App Store if not. Once in the Toyota app, a pop-up will appear where the new user can accept Digital Key. By tapping Accept, the new user will need to authenticate their device if they're new to the Toyota app and haven't done so already. Once the setup process is complete and the vehicle is paired, the new user can use the Digital Key tile on their app dashboard. Removing a shared key can be done on either end. For the shared user, tap Manage Key, then Remove My Key. And for the vehicle owner, tap Manage and Share. Then edit each shared user as needed. Finally, you can also enable and disable the Digital Key from within the vehicle. Just select the Settings section, then Info and Security, and then toggle the feature on or off as desired. From here, you also have the option of removing any previously saved keys. Just remember that you'll need the physical key fob present to do so. And that's all there is to using the Digital Key through Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform. To learn more, visit toyota.com/audio multimedia.